Alright, so I am currently in Munich. This video right now, this clip is going to be at the start of today's vlog because I haven't explained that I'm in Munich. I got here yesterday, worst flight of my life, like so bad. I was stuck like a sardine. I was so tired I even drugged myself and I still could not fall asleep. So this clip is going to be shown at the start of the video, and here's the start of the vlog.
I know I'ma get it, I just don't know how. I've never felt how I feel right now, but everything is alright. Everything is alright. And mama, don't worry, I'ma make you proud. I know you're scared, but it's gonna work out. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
Good morning, YouTube. What's happening? What's going on? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today is our third day in Munich, our second full day. Really, it's our second day. And today we're going out shopping. We're gonna hit like all the places, Gucci. We're just gonna shop for like everything. We're gonna be hitting up this one place that sells Off-White. We're gonna hit Soulbox, a bunch of other shoe stores. Also, I just bought my tickets for Soul Exchange Toronto, which is actually in Mississauga. So if any of you guys are gonna be there, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you're selling bread toes, let me know. Yeah, let's get into some German hypebeast shopping.
I'm sorry for the times that I ever let you down, when we got in arguments about me going dropping out. But just know that everything I do, I'm doing it for you. And I know it's gonna work out, but I just need some time to prove. Thinking back to when I finished college, almost left the town. I was focused on the music, I just wanted to surround myself with all the stars, thinking they would help me shine. But really had to focus on what I had built inside, cause I know I'ma get it, but just know it takes time. I hate to see you worry, but just know that I'll be fine. I'm waiting for the day when we can sit and reminisce. I'ma take you around the world and buy you anything you wish. But for now, just know that I've been working more than ever. I know that I'ma get it, so the family living better. I know that you still love me, but I wanna make you proud. I can't wait to see you smiling up in front of the whole crowd. Like, I know I'ma get it, I just don't know how. I've never felt how I feel right now, but everything is alright. Everything is alright. And Papa, don't worry, I'ma make you proud. I know you're scared, but it's gonna work out. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. I know that I owe you back for everything you done. You left your happiness to help me pay my college funds.
Alright, so we wrapped up at Soulbox. There was a lot of cool stuff. There was this one vape hoodie I was looking at, but to be completely honest, it would probably be the same price, slightly cheaper at home. Mom, what'd you think? It was a pretty cool store, right?
It's a very cool store.
Definitely a very cool store. They did not have bread toes though. I'm very disappointed.
Hard work worth it, and as the clock ticks, I know you're deep down hurting. I'm doing everything I can to make sure it don't worsen. But now, just know that I've been working more than ever. I know that I'ma get it, so the family living better.
Alright guys, so we've came to this little like, what is it? It's a German bakery, I guess. It's like a cafe. It's really nice, it's very high end. And we mostly came in here just because we both needed to pee. But now we decided we're gonna share a piece of cake. So I ended up getting like a fruit tea. My mom got some alcohol of some sort. And we also got a strudel to share. After this, we're planning on going to Maximilian Street, which is where like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, all of that is. So, yeah. Alright, we wrapped up eating and drinking. Now we're just walking to the like nice stores in the city. And Louis Vuitton is right here, so we're gonna go. Alright, so for a while, we've just been walking around. Walking down the street right now where like all the nice stores are, and there's a Gucci store, but I just found out there's a Stone Island store here. So we're just gonna walk down here and see what we can find.
Don't worry, I'ma make you proud. I know you're scared, but it's gonna work out. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.